All right, let's take a quick look at the Canon LC-E6 charger, the official charger for Canon's LPE6 series batteries. If you shoot with Canon R series, 5D series, 6D series, or many of the cinema and DSLR bodies, you've probably come across this charger already, and for good reason. The LCE6 is simple, compact, and super reliable. Just pop your LPE6, LPE6N, or LPE6NH battery into the slot, plug it into the wall, and you're good to go. No cables, no adapters, no mess. The indicator light tells you whether the battery is charging or fully topped up, so you always know your status at a glance. It's one of those accessories that just works. And because it's Canon's original charger, it's dependable, safe for your batteries, and keeps them performing at their best. Whether you're traveling, shooting events, doing long filming sessions, or just want a backup charger, the LCE6 is a must-have. So who needs this charger? Canon mirrorless shooters, DSLR users, filmmakers, photographers with multiple batteries, or anyone who wants a reliable charging setup instead of cheap third-party options. Why buy it? Because it's compact, durable, accurate, and designed specifically for Canon's most popular battery series, making it the safest and most dependable way to charge your LPE6 batteries. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more camera gear videos.